Today we're gonna make this classic Greek dish, gigantes. To get started on making our gigantes, which are giant butter beans, these are what the Greek gigantes look like. I'm gonna put a link in my Amazon store so you guys can purchase them. They usually come in a 1 pound bag. So we have these here. And the first step to do is take the beans, put them in water and just soak them overnight. That's it. So this is what we did here. And now we're gonna take these, now that they've soaked, we're gonna strain them, put them back in the same pot with some water and salt, and we're gonna boil them on the stove for about an hour. Put a little salt in the water and we're gonna let this cook for an hour. So we cooked our gigantes for an hour, look at them. Now we're gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna strain them. So now we took our pot back over to the stove, turn on medium-high heat. I'm gonna do 1/3 cup of olive oil. So heat up our olive oil. Pot's already hot. So I'm gonna add in 1 chopped up onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. We're gonna saute this. Next, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Next, we're gonna do a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of dried oregano. And we're gonna stir all of that together. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll add in the beans. So while we were letting this simmer, I added a 1/2 cup of water. We let it simmer for 15 minutes. And now I'm gonna add in our butter beans, our gigantes. Okay, I'm not gonna stir it. I don't wanna mash the beans. I'm just gonna kind of nestle them into the sauce. And now we're gonna take this over. I preheated the oven to 375. We're gonna take this over and transfer it into a baking dish and put them in the oven. So we're gonna take our beans and our sauce mixture and I'm gonna put it right into this baking dish. And I'm gonna just put this around, make sure. Let me get a spoon. I wanna make sure the sauce is all over the beans. And now I'm gonna take this and we're gonna pop this in the oven. Look at that. We've cooked our gigantes for an hour. It smells amazing. We're gonna top it with our fresh parsley. And I'm actually gonna transfer it into a serving bowl here. Look at that. Smells so good. Delicious, hearty dish is ready. Look at that, nice, hearty, delicious dish. And I like everything with feta. Optional, of course, but I'm gonna crumble some on top. Beautiful. For this recipe and many others, check out my website at nikkiglekis.com.